This is how to fix your phone battery. There are a lot of people that either your phone is not charging well, it's so delaying to charge. Some it's because your phone gets drained so fast, and you don't know what exactly is happening. It could be that your battery has issues that need to be fixed, but yet you don't know how to fix it. This is how to fix your phone battery in order for your phone to function well, especially your battery. All of us know how important batteries are to our phones. But hey, before we continue, why not follow my page and also make sure you share this video so that it's going to help more people. Remember, this is tech community, and anything in Big Benji Tech community is what you need. Everything is what you need. Yes, for sure, my contents are very important and very educative for everyone who is on the online space or who uses a smartphone. So let me show you how to fix your phone battery in order to get a better battery, or a battery that lasts long, or a battery that will not stay long on charge. Let's go and let me show you. So to fix your phone battery, you need this application, Battery Life. When you go to Play Store, let's go to Play Store first. This app, you go and click Battery Health. Make sure you see a logo like this. Okay, so when you see a logo like this, you click on install. I've already installed it. When you open your application, when you open the application, it will open like this. This is what you see. You see my battery voltage 4.142V, health and all that. But I want you to click on this health. All right, click on health. Now below here you're going to see processing low, inactive. All right, this is what you need to do before you use this application to do what I want to show you. Make sure, look up there, you're going to see I plug first of all my battery on charge. You can see that my battery is on charge. Don't do this if your phone is not on charge. You click on this scan below here. When you click on that scan below here, this is what you're going to be seeing. Now anywhere you see red, know that it is inactive. Anywhere you see red, know that it's inactive, so there's a problem. Everywhere you see those reds, they're indicating where your battery has issues. Okay, and when you see these things, don't hesitate to fix them. I'm going to be showing you how to fix them. It's going to first of all take time, go through. So let's fast forward. Okay, now it has scanned through and you get to this position and it says scan completed. Congratulations, the scan is complete. Satisfactorily. You get low. My battery is low in a particular place, which is 1, inactive 8, good 111, good 111, 108, sorry. So I say okay. Now repair the cells. These are dead cells in my battery. So cells that are inactive in my battery, I click on repair. You can see it's repairing. Those cells are being repaired. You can see they are gradually repairing on its own, and this is how it's going to repair right down to the last cell that has issues. So okay, now you can see that all those reds have disappeared, right? And it says repair process fixed. Congratulations, a total of 12 cells seems to be restored. Okay, so you can see, and according to this, now it shows that it has been repaired. Let's open again and see what's happening, if we are still going to see anything of such. No, there was some reds up there. There is no red. So this is how to check to fix your battery without going to a technician, and it's very easy as you have just watched. Thanks for watching, and please, if this is your first time here, make sure you share, you like, you comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Big Benji Tech Community. God bless you, and see you in our next video.